First catch of the day, a minnow or something. That's a big minnow. That's funny, dude. Well, he's gonna be dead. I didn't even know what I had. Dude, a smallmouth. God dang, he's a... Oh no, that's a nice squad, I think. Purple, brother. Purple. Dude, this is one of the biggest squads that I've caught in a while. That's a huge squad. Woohoo! Purple, brother. He freaking nailed that sucker, man. Man, good, nice fish. The Texas native. Woohoo! That's a nice squad, dude. Hurry up, brother. You're going down backwards. Paddle, paddle. Hold it. Woo! Nice squad, man. Dude, I got all that on. Dude, I got all that on. That's a nice fish, man. Got the tooth patch right there. I don't know if you can see it. Nice tooth patch. That's a nice squad right there. Woo!